Welcome to our channel. Today, open the Wells Fargo app on your mobile device. Log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers option in the menu. Select Send Money with Zelle. If prompted, read through the terms and conditions and agree to them. Next, you'll need to set up your Zelle profile. Enter your email address or mobile number that you want to link to Zelle. You may receive a verification code via email or text. Check your email or messages for the code and enter it in the app. Once verified, confirm your mobile number or email. You may now be prompted to add a payment method. Choose the bank account you want to use for Zelle transactions. Review your information to ensure everything is correct. Tap on Continue to finalize the setup. Your Zelle account is now linked to your Wells Fargo app. To send money, go back to the Send Money with Zelle option. Choose a recipient from your contacts or enter their email or phone number. Enter the amount you wish to send. Add a note for the transaction if desired. Review the transaction details and tap Send. You will see a confirmation that your money has been sent. To receive money, simply share your registered email or phone number with the sender. You can check your transaction history within the app to track your Zelle transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.